Hi, I want to demonstrate how to create a hero section with a background and text overlay, just like a professional designer. Let's go. First, we need to set the background for the section. Click on the section to display its options. Click on the background option. Click on Image. Click or drag and drop image here. Next, click here to remove the column. Next up, click on Delete. We don't need it. Next, click on the section to enable dark mode, which will turn the text white. Click on Dark Mode. The white text isn't easily readable, so we need to make the background darker. The best way to do this is by adding a dark, transparent layer between the text and the section background. We can achieve this by applying a transparent gradient to the container. First, set the container to full width mode. Then click here to set a background for it. Click here to generate a random gradient. Once that's done, click on Colors to edit. I've set a black color here for my gradient. I also need to set the color transparency because I want the background behind it to remain visible. Once that's done, click here. We can see a gap between the container and its section. Let's remove it. Click here to change the class and style of the section. Click on Class. I applied the PA0 class, which sets all padding of the section to 0. Close the tools. The gap is gone, and we can see the text is more readable without needing to edit the image. Now you can apply various gradients and enjoy designing your hero section.